Hello learners, welcome to ARPIT 2019 in Library and Information Science at IIT Delhi. I am Dr. Madhusudhan, working as Associate Professor, Department of Library and Information Science, University of Delhi. I will discussing the topic today, mobile based library services. Considering the potential of fast information access in miniature devices anytime, anywhere with mobile technology, my presentation highlights the problems faced by the users in accessing information on their mobile devices and how to enhance the existing library services into mobile based library services. It will also touch on various facets of mobile based library services such as mobile library website, mobile library catalog, mobile library apps, library SMS notifications, SMS services, use of quick response codes in library services, mobile collections, mobile audio tools, mobile augmented reality, mobile instructions, mobile databases and mobile services for persons with disability. The library, which is one place to go find information, is starting to be completely replaced by the internet. Libraries today introduce many new services either by converting the existing services into e-services or developing and implementing entirely new services for searching, delivering, browsing, updating, notification and converting services, which include mobile based library services. Dear friends, we are in the so called age of smartphones and tablets. In the age of information on the go, academic libraries can serve their users by leveraging the growing capabilities of mobile technology. These mobilize and promote their traditional services by offering the new kind of services, and mobile library services offer a new channel for accessing information and sharing with others. They are superb at developing different kinds of resources, streamed videos and music, written and spoken literature, travel directions, games, photos, etc. Mobile access to their websites and OPACs. With a good internet speed, a user can access with ease anytime, anywhere his or her library. Mobile technology has made drastic changes in users' way of accessing information and opens the door for a new kind of learning and also providing anytime, anywhere access to information, processes and communication. Of course, mobile devices are rapidly becoming the primary way of access online information by the present day users. Then the providing library services via mobile phones expand the scope of the library services, and the library takes a great step toward becoming a round the clock services. With some mobile initiatives, libraries can provide a wide range of mobile services to the interested users. Dear friends, the compelling demand for mobile devices has one valid reason, that they enable flexibility for users and libraries to access up to date information ubiquitously. Now there is a concept called BYOD, stands for bring your own device. This is the practice of students bringing their smartphones, tablets, other miniature devices to access information in a ubiquitous environment, which is a common trend across the different academic institutions in the world. Why not in India? So, now let us discuss what mobile technology is or meant for. Mobile technology is nothing but use of small size portable devices, and mobile technology means to handle mobile devices, that is smartphones, tablets, and directly refer to the mobile devices with cellular and or wireless connectivity. Of course, it will improve access to the library resources, services for everyone whoever has this facility and whatever they like it. Now coming to this time, what library users like. This is very important and foremost consideration for any library. The present day users needs very much speed, convenience and portability of information, and they are not sitting in front of the computers. They need very fast kind of information access and very easy navigation to find information what they are required, what they want. Access to information immediately without having look for a computer, that is the present trend, and they are searching for library apps, not to use web browser. So, now this is the trend. The mobile library applications open the door for libraries for myriad opportunities, and many initiatives are adopted by the libraries in developed countries to expedite their existing library services and to make them mobile friendly. With a good internet speed, a user can access information with ease anytime, anywhere, his or her information from his own library. That is why the mobile library services, providing library services via mobile phones, expands the scope and library services, and it is such a new channel for new learning for users. Now, it is coming, we discuss before going to mobile library based services, what is missing in the libraries, that is very important for discussion. Now, when we talk about this missing in the library perspective, what are they? The first and foremost comes, that is mobile apps are missing, then dealing with paper based content is missing, and mobile based library services are missing, of course, and the mobile phones are powered by the QR codes and very good for accessing QR codes, that are missing, and of course, the many times the WhatsApp based library services are also missing. Therefore, considering the potential for fast information access in miniature devices anytime, anywhere with mobile technology, libraries are offering new services to patrons through mobile web services that can help them easy services with constants of time and space. These services that our users expect from the communities and content providers. Libraries are always anxious to leverage the modern mobile technology that most of their users are using. These are smartphones and other sophisticated devices to deliver robust services with convenience. These devices are made ready through many library mobile initiatives to integrate library services with users' daily lives. Here are some of the mobile based library services for you. This includes mobile library website, mobile version of online public access catalog, in short form it is called OPAC, circulation services, reference inquiry services, current awareness service and selective dissemination of information services, distribution of e-resources, SMS based alert services. Some more, this includes library maps and floor plans, library news, events and blogs, mobile databases, list of new arrivals, interlibrary loan service, books and article search services, finally library hours and library tours. This not comprehensive, these are some of the innovative services provided via mobile devices. A mobile website is an important component of library services. It is basically a short version of large website that is designed and optimized for viewing on mobile devices. Mobile website may be hosted on their own subdomain. The general purpose of mobile website is to make the content or at least a subset of the content available to the users. Mobile websites complements the existing library websites to and help the extend resources and information to users through their mobile devices. There are many advantages. I will discuss you 2-3 advantages. Number one advantage of mobile library website is that only once need to be developed, unlike native applications that need to be developed for each specific mobile platform. The another advantage of mobile website is that they are easier to maintain than native applications. The third advantage of developing mobile library website is that more cost effective than developing a native application. It is important that library's mobile website initiative develops applications that work on both smartphones and web enabled applications equally. So, there are two ways a library can introduce this service. If they do have library website powered by 1.0, this needs to be converted into responsive website. A responsive website is the one that responds to and adjusts itself to a different size of a device screen on which a website is viewed. The otherwise, in addition to that existing library website, the library must and should develop a new subset of website, that is mobile website. The mobile website offers all library services available regardless of platform a patron is using, in a manner that it is used to navigate and intuitive to use. The question is how to find, how to differentiate, how to recognize a mobile website. You can check, you put URL in responsinator.com and check, then you will see how your mobile library website looks like horizontally or vertically in different mobile devices, and you can check. The another service, the mobile websites are fairly used to create, publish, maintain and easy to use, and it forms the foundations of the library app or application. One distinct advantage of using mobile websites rather than creating app is it is very easy posting updates or to make design changes. There is no intermediary like an app to store submission process. One more advantage is that it is compatible with any web enabled phone, not only just for smartphone. Moreover, this technology does not need any advanced mobile browser, therefore, more users can easily make use of it. So, mobile library website facilitates various kinds of mobile based library services. You can see in this the screenshot, you will find different kinds of services provided via mobile website. These are the examples mobile library websites. There are many universities offering mobile websites. For example, Virginia Tech University libraries, Adelphi University libraries, Alberta Science libraries, both state library universities, of course WorldCat and North Carolina State University. These are the few examples of the good mobile library websites. And the next service of mobile based library service is MOPAC. MOPAC stands for Mobile Based Online Public Access Catalog. It is the online public access catalog which is accessible through mobile phones and provides simple search facility against the author, title and the subject. Mobile OPACs or MOPACs provide library users with varying degrees of access to the information contained in the traditional OPACs and tend to be either transcoded websites formatted or hand-led devices or standalone or downloadable applications. The search results should be informative and contains information about a particular book or its availability in concise manner. It requires a dedicated concise search page for simple search and the search box and button, search type options, author and title, call number and location. These are the features provided by this MOPAC, and it also provides cover page, cover image, status of the book. And here is the example, the snapshot of MOPAC and the mobile based OPAC. It is implemented by WorldCat in another screenshot. The third application, that is mobile applications, and it is short form, it is called apps, and the mobile applications are short standalone dedicated pieces of software or web application or sites that enhance our mobile devices capabilities and access information in an elegant, consistent ways, and are the means for creating new services for mobile patrons. Library mobile apps can allow users to search, bookmark, annotate, link and highlight content from scripture, general conference talks, lessons, manuals, other curriculum on mobile devices, and these mobile apps provides various facilities. For example, library catalog and filter means a user can search with keyword searching title, author, subject, and see the description, availability and location of items what the search results got it, and read the reviews, find the library hours, contacts, see the number of laptops available by the campus location. These are the some of the apps providing a better services in this mobile based library services. Nowadays, users can also look up library locations, browser information, borrower information, library news, ways to contact libraries, in addition to the location based services which are available only on library mobile app, in which peak user interest in terms of mobility. These are good examples. Now, see the library uses of mobile apps. It is very much used in OPAC and also online reservation, and the another service text message alerts, which is entirely entry level mobile web services for a library to offer its patrons speedily news announcements, event reminders, other requested information. It also offers SMS notifications to inform students when their items are due back, remind them about overdue items and advise them of fines incurred. Some of the SMS notification services, which includes due day reminder service, renewal request service, overdue notification service, request arrival notification service, news and event reminder service, new title notification service, and further SMS notification service are included. Now, the technologies such as instant messaging, email and now SMS text messaging are making it is very easy for libraries to maintain relevance as information hubs by offering convenient services to busy users. The one of the best example of that kind of service is Ask a Librarian service, which offers mobile patrons the ability to text their research questions from far. Texting has become a popular form of communication, especially among the young generation. See the snapshot. SMS services can allow libraries the opportunity to access students via familiar accessible services. For many libraries, texting is used to complemented the various other reference services currently being used by the institutions such as in person, phone, email and chat. Libraries are using Altarama's reference by SMS service, receives a unique mobile phone numbers that can be advertised as the text number for that library. See the screenshot by SMS reference service, text message example services. The another very important service powered by this mobile based library services is QR based code services. The QR code is a 2-dimensional code that contain 100 times more than data information than simple barcode. QR stands for quick response. So, these codes are generated by QR code generators, reading by the QR code readers by scanning using smartphone or tablets or computer. QR code is capable to be store information, numbers, text, hyperlinks, contact details, calendar information, email addresses, phone numbers, SMS, maps, social network information, etc. in any direction in horizontally and vertically 360 degrees. that is called omnidirectional. So, the QR code has the huge data storage capacity. It will store up to 7089 characters numerics only, or 4296 characters alphanumeric, and the binary, that is 2953 bytes in single barcode, and existing code can be divided into 16 portion of a code at maximum. So, QR codes used for many purposes in the library, for example websites, YouTube, image files, PDF files, Google Maps, Twitter accounts, Facebook, and so on and so forth. And QR codes mainly used for libraries to embed information, contact on the visiting card, or connect to a mobile website, or watch a video, or embedded text map an address, make phone call, or send email, finally send SMS. So, there are various kinds of QR codes in the library services, and this screenshot clearly shows various types of QR codes being used for library services. And the QR codes in libraries, which includes library audio tour, group study room scheduler, marketing, promotional materials, linking from print to electronic journal holdings, providing an electronic alternatives to physical books, promoting online audio visual materials, embedded video help, bringing external resources into library, finding appropriate help, taking the catalog records with you, and encoding RSS feeds for quick delivery of current information, sending SMS text messages, sharing content information, many more. With the traditional collections, mobile collections span a wide range of content and equally wide range of delivery of methods. And if you see the screenshot mobile library media collections, there is audio mobile devices have property store audio lectures that can be listened anytime, and the mobile media collections and different kinds reference services, a number of publishers who have worked with mobile service providers such as Mobivision to adopt popular reference material to a mobile friendly design. These works includes World Almanac, World Book, standard dictionaries, and thesaurus, many more. And you can see in this screenshot the different kind of mobile delivery methods. In this includes Google Books and the OPACs which are linked to Google Books and Overdrive and etc. This is the best example for mobile library media collection, and these are the methods. And mobile audio tools can be great help to librarians, especially in area of tight scheduling and staffing shortage. Although these self discovery tools may be less expensive to operate than traditional human tools. Equipment maintenance and rental operations may not be cost effective for some visitors and organizations. For example, Duke University libraries provide a 10-part audio walking tour of its bookstore library available for download as MP3 files. See the screenshot of mobile library instructions at Library of Congress. Now, the very important, the technology coming with mobile technologies, that is augmented reality. This has emerged as a new interactive technology, and it is unprecedented way of complementing the physical environment with virtual annotations, which offers innovative modes of accessing commercially relevant content. Augmented reality aims at simplifying the user's life by bringing virtual information not only his immediate surroundings, but also any indirect view of real world environment, such a live video stream. In short form, augmented reality called AR, which enhance users' perceptions and interaction with the real world. These services will be available in many ways and means: physical book stocks, library navigation, and optical character recognition, facial recognition, identity building services and collections. Here is the example, you can see that, and there are so many benefits of augmented reality which will be helpful to libraries. Number 1, support content, contextual and situational learning, ubiquitous and timely access to information, streamlines workflows, patrons engage with new technologies information is provided at the point of need. That is why the mobile augmented reality will definitely change not only way humans interact with machines, but also way humans interact with their environment. You can see the best example, this augmented reality which is used by library for shelf reading app, and if flag misplaced in the books, it is very easily to rectify, and this screenshot clearly displays the same. The another important the mobile based library services, that library tours. Libraries are making guided tours more convenient for patrons with busy schedules. Of course, the library users who do not have time or inclination to attend on-site workshop can still get the most out of the library resources by accessing classes and tutorials on their mobile devices. Libraries have begun distributing their knowledge and expertise with library systems and materials via MP3 and video files, which patrons can take with them and they can use later on. So, the 3 to 5 minutes video concerning finding articles, getting started doing library research, finding books can be viewed on portable devices such as video iPods at learners' convenience. See the screenshot of mobile library tours, mobile databases. These are not only libraries that have seen the writing on the wall with regard to the mobile web, but academic software and database providers have started taking portability to heart. Database publishers have started to evolve mobile friendly applications or formatting the old versions of their databases that fits well in the mobile environment. See the screenshot of mobile databases provided by HEPCO-host and PubMed and other publishers. You can see the left side the mobile interface of mobile web database and the right side the retrieval of the same, and the mobile databases having a distinct feature, that is unique image quick view option, and this is such a wonderful facility which allows thumbnails images such as charts, photos, maps, tables, illustrations. So, wherever it is available in the text, so it easily a user can access. That way the mobile databases goes everywhere you go, and the other mobile publishers, database publishers, which includes PubMed, mobile services for visual and hearing impairments. The mobile devices which provides a noble service for visual and hearing impairments, which is important use of mobile technology is for special libraries to use devices to assist the persons with special abilities like visual or hearing. Many such people are often unable to access because there is no special interface for them. Mobile devices such as smartphones which have screen readers that can help the disabled to access information efficiently and effectively. Visual or vibrating alerts, relay services, hearing aid compatibility devices make mobile phones accessible for deaf and hard of hearing, while features such as voice recognition and auto text are needed by those with physical disabilities. And the another important service which powered by mobile library services, that is geolocation used for personalized tours. A new user can easily find the library and different floors, and he can easily without taking anybody's help to reach the library with this service powered. Of course, mobile based library services provides many benefits to libraries, and which includes interactive capabilities, user friendly, accessibility to information, saves lot of time, user participation, location, timeliness. Interactive capabilities which provides the mobile web users accessing information very quickly and helps to interact library staff to obtain specific reference away from the library, and it has a ability to access information through mobile web, and it is saving lot of time because mobile devices offer users to browsing, searching library resources. Users no need to wait at any library transaction at any counter of the library for renew reservation of books. Therefore, the time of user is so much saved, and it strengthens the fourth law of library science, save the time of the reader. Personalized services, which includes mobile library services, that is helps to interact library professionals and gain specific references. And of course, user participation. Libraries can enrich OPAC by allowing users to incorporate user created content like notes or images uploaded by users. Limitless access includes all online resources accessible on their desktop also becomes accessible through mobile devices. Of course, mobile library services also pose some issues to libraries. The first and foremost, that is privacy concerns, because all content you cannot put and mobile based library services, and library needs to be go through and strict to privacy concerns, whether it is a copyright or IPR, and digital content issues, and many more times this digital content compatibility with mobile devices, and this is the compressedness, and that is the mobile interface that is opposing digital content issues. Of course, not but the least, this skilled library and information science profession also very much is a basic issue, because the kind of services provided using mobile services that needs the skilled LS professionals, they must and should have the mobile technologies and web technologies and other technologies for implementing such services. And what is missing? Now question come here, the libraries nowadays they are not providing free Wi-Fi facilities, so there is a need, and library websites, mobile library apps, accessing articles databases via mobile devices, because many a times these resources are available for IP based, but the mobile devices needs dynamic IP based, and many a times subscription models with simplified authentication access, these are posing some of the issues. And the other, the rapid increase of mobile environment and its ubiquitous nature has made mobile devices an indispensable part of life, because libraries in India are facing a considerable and never ending challenge how to keep pace with the rapidly changing technological landscape. Lack of skilled human resources ensure the services they provide tap into the new technologies which are inflating society. They can mobilize, expand their existing services by offering mobile access to their websites and online public access catalogs, by supplying on the go portable reference services, by providing mobile access to the e-books, journals, videos and etc. This is unavailability of mobile library services in the mobile world would ultimately create a gap between libraries and users. That is why there is an urgent need to enhance library services into mobile library services. Here are the some of the enhancement of library services. For example, library website they have to convert into mobile library website or responsive website, library OPAC into mobile OPAC, hyperlinks into mobile apps, barcodes into QR codes, reference / notification services becomes mobile reference services, library collections become mobile library collections, databases enhanced as mobile databases, library instructions become mobile library instructions, physical maps become mobile maps, library tools becomes mobile library tools, and mobile library applications open door for libraries for mandate opportunities. The image of a library as an imperious vault wherein librarians serve as the gatekeepers guiding patrons through mandate stacks has become outdated. For libraries, especially academic libraries and special libraries, to stay relevant in the mobile era, there is a need to implement mobile library technologies for the maximum access to their resources and for satisfaction of the users, and how they facilitate access to information or discuss to understand how libraries can leverage them for making their services for fast and smart. Today's libraries need to take new channel to provide their services, resources, research tools to today's generation and stay tuned with users. In order for libraries to stay relevant, libraries must implement mobile library technologies for maximum access of their resources and promotion of their library services. Therefore, friends, librarians must understand mobile devices and provide services through them. Therefore, it has become an important issue to develop methodologies or tools to assist the user community by providing them easy access, developing information services on mobile devices. So, the mobile library services provides another vehicle for code based information. Of course, it will enhance connections between patrons and libraries. For the point of view of library, it will bring a concept like libraries in hand and access the library's resources with a simple scan of code. Not only that, but also it will increase ROI, both print and online collections. For the purpose of services, the mobile based library services definitely they help the library services and bring the new concept. We go where we go and any phone, any network that is comes. So, friends, this is the mobile library based library services. I acknowledge my co-author Mr. Salik Ahmed there and all the authors, universities, websites, libraries whose original works are cited in the above article, created or used in the form of citations, images, QR codes, screenshots in this presentation or for better illustration, understanding and also for academic purpose only. Thank you very much.